Let's start going into the cycles, because 2 years ago it was around $15,000 to $17,000. It means if you bought Bitcoin 2 years ago, today you could do 3 times, 3x. At the height of the market, it reached at some point 77. Basically, it was 77, came down to 12. Now it is at 67. And it always goes to the kind of a all-time high and all-time low and bounces back. Therefore, in my opinion, the best strategy would be, for example, if you never had Bitcoin, you never hold a digital asset, we call it dollar cost averaging. Instead of coming and buying everything in one go, every month you decide to buy $300 or $500 worth, because then you can catch the best price of the market in a long run, and your average price will be much less because you will not be influenced by volatility. And ideally, in 2 years, you will be able to see 2 or 3 times growth. Almost 90% of all Bitcoin holders, they always make money. And Bitcoin was the only asset that grew continuously in the last 10 years, and it did better than S&P 500, all investment vehicles. Therefore, especially like Bitcoin, Ethereum, top 10 tokens are the most safest, as safe as crypto goes. Definitely there's risk involved, but there's a huge opportunity. And I always say, like, you have a investment portfolio like real estate, some in, I don't know, cash in bank, some stocks, and I don't know, gold. I know in Middle East people love like a gold and jewelry as an investment.
This is the safest investment like area. This is my next question. Like, if you're asking any financial advisor on the best way to get return on investment and the highest profit, cryptocurrency and blockchain, not even on the top 10 of the list. So still the bonds, the gold, the real estates are more convenient for people to make money. When do you think this cryptocurrency idea will resonate better with the audience, with the people?
I think gold been here since humanity, right?
Yes, a way of trading
Hundreds of
and
thousand
saving.
years,
Yeah.
it was like an actual like
Cash money.
cash money, right?
Yeah.
And like you can touch, and its value doesn't go. It's always been there. Same goes to like a
But I mean, if you want to escape, you cannot take all your gold and escape. Yeah.
definitely.
Even when it comes to banks, like the money still it's in your bank account, but maybe the bank will simply like.
That's an important one. First is how much you truly own something, right? Gold, it's very hard to move. Tax involved. When it comes to real estate, you can't move it at all, and wars can happen. Governments can take it from you. Digital asset, you own it. You own it. You know your seed phrase. Or have it in your cold wallet. Basically, you are the owner. You can move it anywhere, and wherever you are, it exists.
It's
It
with
comes
you.
like with you because it's digital, right? But also, it all involves risk. And as humans, what we first want: a home to live in,
Yes.
a car to
Safety,
drive,
yeah.
jewelry that we can wear. Therefore, I think it's a kind of a matter of mentality. And therefore, whenever I tell to my friends and family, I don't tell them like sell everything, put in Bitcoin. No, take all your wealth and put 5 to 10% into crypto in order to diversify, to
Yes.
understand that if tomorrow, God forbid, I don't know, rain comes, tornado comes, war happens, you will have an alternative that you can just move with you. And we live in a very unstable world, right? We saw what's happening in Ukraine. We know what's happening in Gaza, in Lebanon. Therefore, I think it's a good way to build your safety that tomorrow, if something happens, you move from point A to B, you will have that cash with you and no one can take it from you.